Hey everyone, here at Joe's Bikes we have this 2017 Aprilia Tuono V4, and this is the factory edition. Bike's in very nice shape. I'll try to do a walk around video to kind of give you an idea of the condition and give you some close-ups so that way you can kind of get a feel for it. Like I'd mentioned before, this is the factory edition, so it's much different than the regular base version. Factory edition does come with all-in suspension and the Aprilia exhaust, which makes for a completely different ride. That suspension really changes the whole experience of the ride. A lot more comfortable, allows you to do a lot more things on this bike. And the Aprilia exhaust looks and sounds awesome. Bike's in really nice shape. It does have ABS brakes, traction control, wheelie control, quick shifter, and this is a cruise control bike. This was a one owner. As you can see there, the odometer reads 13,809 miles. And we can fire this up. Sounds mean. Very fast bike. Has endless power. Like I had mentioned, this is a one-owner bike. You can see the bikes in the background. We are a motorcycle dealership, but we don't charge dealer fees. Price you see is the price that you pay. Let us know.